Hello, welcome back guys to Spotter channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to view Gemini apps activity on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do, of course, you just have to open it for the Google Gemini applications. Here I'm gonna tap on it and open it. After, if you want to view or see the Gemini apps activity, simply just go ahead to this account at the top right in the corner of your screen. Now in this page, you will find out here the Gemini apps activity. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now you just have to scroll it down. At the bottom, you will find out the Gemini activity in these applications. So guys, this is the result on my Gemini applications. So yeah, I think it's enough guys from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.